Hi, so I would love to show you my vowel series of art. Uh, it is based on cued speech, and in cued speech, we use consonant vowel pairings. What are consonant and vowels, you ask? Well, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The rest of the alphabet are consonants. When I remember learning how to read and pronounce words on written on a page in about first grade, I remember getting drilled by my father, and it was scary, difficult, hard, and not much support in learning English back then, and even today. I believe cued speech could be very useful to learn any language in school. Yes, of course, you make mistakes, but there are so many mistakes in a split second. So, shall we go on? Ta-da! You can cue with either hand. You don't just have to cue. Now, if you want to memorize better, use both to get muscle memory and mental memory. If I can do it, you can too. Okay, here we go. The long vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. So I painted A, as in this is not gonna work. Where can I put it? Can I put it here and then put it up? Yeah, I gotta put my glasses on. Okay. Bay, K, day, fay, gay, hey, J, K, lay, may, nay, pay, quay, ray, say, tay, they, way, yay, zay. The long vowel E, B, C, D, Fee, G, he, G, key, lee, me, knee, P, qui, re, C, T, V, we, xi, ye, z. The long vowel I, by, chi, die, phi, guy, hi, jai, kai, lie, my, nigh, pie, quai, rye, sigh, tie, vi, y, xi, yai, zai. The long vowel sound O. Bo, ko, do, fo, go, ho, jo, ko, lo, mo, no, po, quo, ro, so, to, vo, wo, xo, yo, zo. The long vowel sound oo. For you, the letter U, oo. And I have been just pairing the letters of the alphabet before the main vowel long sound phoneme. Boo, coo, do, foo, goo, who, Jew, coo, loo, moo, new, poo, quoo, roo, sue, two, voo, woo, xoo, you, zoo. That's the long vowel sounds in conclusion. Now we go on to the short vowel sounds. This is the way I learned them. You may have learned them differently, but it is to show the consonant vowel pairings. And you can cue any word. as in apple. A, ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, qua, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, xa, ya, za. This is the short vowel sound ah. Ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, qua, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, xa, ya, za. This is the short vowel sound for o, as in tall, tall, blue hair. Ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, qua, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, xa, ya, za. This is the vowel sound for e, as in red. Be, ke, de, fe, ge, he, je, ke, le, me, ne, pe, que, re, se, te, ve, we, xe, ye, ze. So with the consonants, they come with the vowel or sometimes by themselves. With the vowel by themselves, it's just hand shape 5. Aw. A, E, I, O, U, A, Ah, O. Next, we have I, as in igloo, I, or icky, I. I'm just adding the the consonants in alphabetical order to see how you pair the sounds together. And cued speech is vowel based, but it is helpful to learn how to make the hand shapes for the consonants first. I learned cued speech both ways. So, b, k, d, f, g, h, j, k, l, m, n, p, que, r, s, t, v, w, x, y, z. We have two more. Ow, as in brown cow. Ow, bow, cow, dow, foul, gow, how, jow, cow, low, mow, now, pow, quow, row, sow, tow, vow, wow, xow, yow, zow. And the last short vowel sound, as in up or cup. Uh. B, k, d, f, g, h, j, k, l, m, n, p, qu, r, s, t, v, w, x, y, z. There you go. I'm just waiting for your questions, comments, and concerns. I have been doing this now since 2018. My son just read lips for 8 years and was language deprived. Unknowns to me, I knew there was a solution. This is for us. I'm not imposing it on you, but I didn't know about it, and it would have helped me when I was little. It sure would not do any harm. So here is the parts of the system for free. You should take a class or flood me with comments and questions, and I'll be happy to answer or point you in the right answer direction. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to me so I can make more and live stream sometime with you. Bye for now.